Sunday dinner with me. Blessed Sunday, y'all. I hope y'all are doing great. So this is how I started Sunday dinner. I had a pine, so I just peel it. I use the skin for juice by adding the skin and some ginger to boiling water, and then turn the stove off. I don't boil the skin. I then cut up the pineapple and I put it in the fridge. Then the chicken part then come out strong. Chicken foot them. Hey, do what you want to do, but me cut off the toe. Season it with all of this what you say, including ginger and garlic. No me for that shall go Tony in there. Pepper, garlic powder, minced onion. Me no onion powder for when I can't remember for buy. Added some pimento seed and some minced dash, and here is the better pack curry. Usually me use my hand for rub it in, but me just put on the cover and shake it up because of chicken feet and there's not much rubbing. Also, most time I season it overnight. To them I never have the time. I season it and cook it right away. That click that we just passed, me say me burn up some curry in the oil. Put the curry for burn and forget, and it burn if you see smoking at the place. Anyway, me take off the pot, wash it out and burn some more curry. Then me add the chicken, and then I just add water little by little till it cook. Me I cook lazy rice and peas today. Me have video on my YouTube channel how to cook this lazy rice and peas. Quick and easy, just a little bit longer than white rice. So I add a little coconut milk to some water, season it up with all of them there. That a little sugar I put in there. And then I add a can of red kidney bean. Also added some butter. Right down and make that boil for about 20-25 minutes till the coconut juice boil. Then I wash my rice and added it to it. First I added onion and scallion to the chicken foot. Again, cover it down and make it go and do it thing. I added little water. There's some big cucumber I need to get rid of, so I'm gonna make a cucumber salad. I slice my cucumber, add a little salt and make it ooze out the water. Turn off the water and drink it. I remember I have no ranch, so I draw for 2 little packet of ranch where I got from fast food. I added all of them there to the cucumber salad and a little honey, top it off. Don't forget the honey, that makes it so nice. I have rye plantain, so you know, so I have to do some rye plantain for the side. See me there go to the wing. I bring my oil to hot and then I drop in my plantain. Back to the chicken foot, I add some pinto bean when it done cook and now, so I just added the pinto bean and stir it up, and I may show you the thickness and the richness and the goodness. Also see the rice and peas there. I ate that. See it there? Nice and well cooked. See the plantain there? Them brown and look good, full of melanin. And this is dinner. This is me sharing it with you guys because I can't actually hand you a plate. But I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Stay safe.